Kia ora e te kaupapa whānau. Welcome back to the Bob Cave, and today we're going to be looking at how to make catchable bubbles or bounceable bubbles. So most of the time, if a bubble is flying around and you touch it with your hand, because of the grease and the skin oils that are on your hands, that actually helps to break the bubble skin. It actually pops. However, there aren't those oils or greases on woolly gloves like this, or if you pull a clean sock over your hand. Let's see if we can actually catch or bounce a bubble today. How about juggling? All right, let's give it a go. Oh, yucky. Good fun. Clean gloves, clean socks. Have a go at home. Ciao boys. Ka kite.